Now let's see how to install Ant. Okay, Ant is a build tool, we know. So how to install Ant? Just as usual, go to Google and download. So for Ant, JDK is a prerequisite. JDK is the prerequisite. Okay, so click on this link. JDK must have been configured in your system. Okay, so just click on. So once it is downloaded, just click on the archive, that is zip file here. Click on this zip. So once it is extracted, just it is a little bit slow. So just copy this folder and go to C drive. It is not mandatory to keep it in C drive. You can keep it anywhere, but always better to keep all installables in C drive and paste it here. Just paste this here. So your Apache Ant is now in another C drive. Go here, another bin. Okay, this is your Ant home. Okay, so as usual, once you have extracted, go to my computer, go to properties of your computer, system settings, environmental variable, click new and underscore home, and then variable name value. Okay, value is this one. Okay, so this is your Ant home. Now edit your path variable, and at the end, okay, remove the dot, and now percentage and underscore home percentage slash bin. Okay, so here we are appending and bin path to the path variable. Okay, so we have created Ant home variable till the Apache Ant directory, and here what we have done, we have appended this Ant home slash bin directory to path variable, so that your command prompt can recognize your Ant binary. Okay, anywhere. Okay, just go to Ant underscore version. Okay, you can see Apache Ant completed. Okay, Apache Ant version 1.9.1 compiled and so on. So right, so once you see this message, that means you have installed the Ant successfully. Okay, thank you so much. Keep watching Advith Devops World for many more videos in future. Thank you.